The boiling point elevation. Interactive calculator determines how much the boiling point of a solution increases when a solute is dissolved in a solvent. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes. Calculate boiling point elevation ΔTb, calculate molality M, calculate solute mass, calculate ebullioscopic constant Kb, calculate new boiling point, and calculate molar mass of solute. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Boiling Point Elevation. The input fields include ebullioscopic constant Kb in degrees Celsius kilogram per mole, molality M in moles per kilogram, Van Hoff factor I, solute mass in grams, solvent mass in kilograms, molar mass in grams per mole, and normal boiling point in degrees Celsius. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 0.512 for the ebullioscopic constant, 0.5 for molality, 1.0 for the Van Hoff factor, 58.5 grams for solute mass, 1.0 kilogram for solvent mass, 58.44 for molar mass, and 100.0 degrees for normal boiling point. After clicking Calculate, the results show ΔTb equals 0.2560 degrees Celsius, confirming the boiling point elevation. The calculator also displays the input values: Kb at 0.5120 degrees Celsius kilogram per mole, molality at 0.5000 moles per kilogram, and I factor at 1.0. This tool streamlines boiling point calculations for solution chemistry applications. Find the link in the description below.